Hi everyone, in this video I'll show how to download and install WhatsApp application or download and install WhatsApp business application. And in this video you can see download WhatsApp for Android and then download WhatsApp for iOS, Mac and PC. And in this step you can easily download or install WhatsApp application on your Android phone or iPhone or iOS, Mac and PC. So let's see how to do that. And in this time I can show many ways. You can follow my all ways. So let's see how to do that. So first of all, go to your Google Play Store. Open Google Play Store. And in this time you can search WhatsApp Messenger. You can see WhatsApp Messenger application. Open it. WhatsApp Messenger application. So install it. Open it. Welcome to WhatsApp. Choose your language to get started. And in this time you can choose and select your own language. After that, click here. You can see welcome to WhatsApp. After that, choose agree and continue. And in this time you can easily download and install your WhatsApp Messenger application. And in this time I can show another way. So let's see. Minimize it and go to your Google Chrome. Google Chrome, open it. And in this here search or write WhatsApp download. You can see WhatsApp Messenger app, WhatsApp Business app. Scroll down. Download WhatsApp for Android. Download WhatsApp for iOS, Mac and PC. And in this time you can easily download WhatsApp application on any devices. Remember. So first of all, I can open download WhatsApp for Android. You can see download WhatsApp directly. And in this here, click on it. You can see downloading file. Wait few seconds or wait few minutes. After that, right top corner, 3 button option, click on it. You can see downloads, open it. And in this area you can see my WhatsApp application downloading. And in this area you can see I can easily download WhatsApp application. After that, open WhatsApp application, click here, open settings, allow from the source, turn on this option and then click here. You can choose install, click on it. And in this time I can show another way. So let's see. You can see download WhatsApp for iOS, Mac and PC. Open it. And this icon, download icon, click here. And in this way you can easily download and install WhatsApp application on your phone. So thank you very much and please subscribe this channel.